Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR temporary power outlet panel. So we do have instructions, and here is the panel. It's a fairly heavy panel as well. It seems to be a thick gauge metal. So they can lock up in place. All you gotta do is pull it up and then push it in. Pull it out and it will drop back down. We do have cover plates on the top, the left side, and the right side, as well as one on the bottom. On the rear we have 3 screwing points. So it looks like we could just drop the box on here and then screw these in from the back. Comes with some hardware. We got 3 extra plates and they are already cut out. We got about a 3/4 hole, 1 inch, and 1 1/4. It also comes with a little padlock so we can lock this guy up, and we got the instructions for that right here. So on the inside of the box we do have a wiring diagram for that. It does say that that is a 20 amp, 125 volts, 60 hertz. And we can see that these are both GFCI outlets and those are all tamper proof. So they each have their own independent ground to the box, and they use blue and red for the color coding. Now it does say on here this is intended for 10 gauge wire. I do not have that, so I'm just going to wire it up temporarily with this. So we'll connect the ground to the grounding bar. And normally we would have a connector right here so that we wouldn't be scraping this cable on the metal of this panel. And this warning says that under these stickers, these terminals are for feeding additional outlets that will have the GFCI of this outlet. So we don't want to connect our wires here, we want to connect our wires onto these terminals. Black goes to the gold screw, and it's worth keeping in mind this is intended to be 10 gauge solid wire. So very wrong wire for this, but again this is just temporary. And the silver screw will get the neutral. Okay, and we can see we do have lights. We can reset. And we can test. So let's go ahead and turn them both on. And we can see we got 122 volts. We are wired correctly. Let's go ahead and test. Okay, cool. So that does work. So overall, if you need a heavy duty box, that is going to be an excellent option.